Studying in CIT is a dream come true for any student aspiring to become an engineer. When I joined CIT, my dream was to become a successful engineer. And CIT has not only given me quality education, but has also provided me with a handful of experience that has turned me into an industry-ready professional. Any individual who steps into CIT is guaranteed to be molded into an technically competent engineer with professional ethics and managerial skills to serve the country at large. CIT offers world-class education, excellent facilities and well-trained staff who are friendly and are ready to help the students all the while. International conferences and seminars are arranged regularly where the experts from the respective fields are invited to share their knowledge in respective fields with the students. MOU has been signed with reputed organizations to extend the real-time industrial training with the students. Neat and hygienic residential facilities are available to the students within the campus who come from far and wide. CIT has an excellent state-of-the-art computer science laboratory with internet facility of 22 Mbps working around the clock. CIT has a resourceful library with thousands of books, national and international journals, e-books, reference books of high standards apart from a digital library. Looking beyond the classroom, CIT has ample opportunities and facilities to the students for an all-round development. When the innovative minds tire, students are encouraged to participate in various inter-college events. Be it technical or cultural, CITians are always found to stand a class apart from other college students in bagging the prizes or bringing laurels to the college. A sound mind needs a sound body. CIT has excellent sports facilities and offers students and encourages them to participate in various sports events and to develop the spirit of sportsmanship and to stay healthy. It helps groom the students' character and helps them face challenges with the right attitude. Every CIT student enjoys freedom with responsibility. All I would like to say is, come to CIT and see your dreams turn into reality. Thank you.